Are you crisscross? Are you crisscross? Eyes on me, eyes on me. Hands in your lap, quietly, quietly. Clifford, what are you doing? Why are you playing with those cups? Put them down, eyes on me. I don't even know what to say, boys and girls. Clifford is not paying attention. Okay, we are on our 6th vowel, U. U says just like you're burping. U says like in the word truck, truck, up, luck, but. Not that but, like but. Stop saying it. Okay, we're going to read our story. It is called Trucks Roll. It is written by George Ella Lyon and illustrated by Craig Fraser. Truck's wheels go round and round. Truck's pistons go up and down. Trucks roll. Trucks have trailers. Trucks have cabs. Some haul rabbits. Some haul labs. Some haul apple juice, some haul trees. Water them down in the desert, please. So now we're figuring out what haul means. It means to carry. Trucks bring ice cream. Trucks bring blocks. Books and bulldozers, dolls and clocks. So to get something from one place to another, we need big trucks. You know, when milk truck comes in, boys and girls, we sometimes see it go against the classroom windows. We know it's milk delivery. Dispatcher calls, says, get underway. Chocolate chip cookies have to travel today. Wouldn't you like to be behind this truck? Milk looks yummy. Stacks of puzzles ready to load. Spaceships, toy trains, get them on the road. Haul them through mountains, over rivers, past towns, around blue sky curves, through rain pouring down. That is a big truck. Trucks roll. They're all resting now. And these are the pistons that they were talking about. The steering wheel, radio, horns deep beep, TV in the bunk where tired truckers sleep. Truck stop. Do you know that there's some trucks that travel from the east part of this country, the East Coast, all the way to the West Coast? And they have to sleep in the back of the cab right here. They have a TV, have a little bed. They stop for traffic lights, stop for tolls, stop for pork chops and cinnamon rolls. They have to eat when they're on the job. Stop for way stations, stop for gas, stop for the night to let the sleepiness pass. There's that truck again with those chocolate chip cookies. Stars above like headlight beams. See the headlights? Truckers travel, rolling dreams. Then, key in the slot, coffee in the cup. Truckers at the wheel when the sun comes up. Ready to go. trucks roll. It's a really good story, lots of rhymes. So this week when we're doing our papers, we're going to be focused again on the vowel U. Next, we're going to find out about our new heart words. 36, 37, 38, 38 words. See you in a bit.